This is a special collaboration between the Stone Roses, the legendary British rock band, and Adidas Originals, built on the classic Adidas tobacco silhouette. The all-white upper delivers a clean and refined look, finished with a short pile suede texture that subtly plays with light to create depth beyond a simple white tone. The iconic three stripes sit naturally on the side, blending into the upper for a balanced and understated appearance. A traditional gum rubber outsole adds durability and comfort, while its warm amber color creates a strong visual contrast. Detailed stitching around the eyelets and heel enhances the layered structure, giving the shoe a premium, three-dimensional feel. Black lining inside the collar sharpens the ankle profile, and the tongue proudly features the Stone Roses logo. Rooted in UK terrace culture and music history, this pair combines timeless Adidas design with cultural influence, making it versatile, wearable, and rich in story.